Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video we are going to learn about some major landforms of the earth. So this is the requested video. So let's begin, and this video will be in the parts. So this is the first part. So as we have know already that some major parts of the major landforms, which are the mountain, volcano, valley, plain, canyon, island, river, ocean, lake, hill, waterfall, bay, plateau, cave, peninsula and glacier. So here we are going to start with the mountain. Mountains are the landforms that rise high above the area around them. The top of a mountain is called as peak. A row of connected mountains is called a range. So we can say that mountains ranges. Okay, ranges of the mountains. So that is a row of connected mountains is called range. So we also known as that Himalayan ranges. Okay, Himalayan mountain ranges. So the peak is called, that is the top of the mountain is called as peak, and the row of connected mountains is called range. So what are volcanic landform? This is the second landform which I am going to learn about here. That is the volcanic landforms. The term volcano refers not only to a volcanic vent but also to the landform that develops as the materials from a volcanic eruption harden. Okay, so the shape and the structure of a volcano are determined by the nature of the eruption and materials that are ejected during the volcanic activity. So for better understanding, just watch volcanic eruption video from my channel. So you will understood about the more about the volcanoes. Now the third one is the valley, a low place between two hills. Okay, a low place between two hills usually has a river flowing through it. So the Indus Valley is a famous valley between China and India. This is the example for the valley. So the river that runs through it holds a rare species of dolphin that is almost extinct. So this is about the Indus Valley. Okay, so now there are some examples of valley are Grand Canyon. You also know, already we know that the Grand Canyon, which is located in the southeastern United States, and Yosemite Valley, which is in California. So remember here valley is the low place between two hills. Now the next one, that is the plain. Plain is nothing but flat land that has little change in elevation. Okay, this is a plain land which is having a flat land which having the little bit elevation. So here the examples for the plains are Canterbury Plains, which is in the New Zealand, and the Gangetic Plains of India, which is located in the Bangladesh, North India, that is the Nepal. Also it is located in the Nepal also. So there are all different examples are there of the plains. Just comment the answer for the examples of the plains. So now the next form is the landform. Okay, landform 8. Okay, this is not the 8 one. This is canyon, which is having the deep narrow valley with steep walls. Okay, this is little bit similar to the valley but not the exact valley. This is deep narrow valley with steep walls which formed by the withering and erosion. These are the processes, okay, where the mountains are formed, and afterward the valleys and canyons also formed. So we will also learn about the weathering and erosion processes afterwards in our next video. Okay, now many have rivers running through them. As we know, just already learnt about the valley which is having the rivers in between them. So there are some examples. So here I have put the examples for the famous canyons are Grand Canyon, also known as the valley, okay, which is located in the New Zealand, and then the Copper Canyon, Whale Submarinaris, which is on the Mars planet. Now island, the definition for the island is a piece of land surrounded by water. It must be, it can be anything, either it is ocean or a lake. So where you can see the piece of land, you can say it is a island. Okay, examples are Bermuda, that is in Bahamas. Okay, Bermuda Triangle, we can say that. So this is also island. Also the Andaman and Nicobar, these are the also islands, and even the Minico Islands and even Maldives. These are the islands which are surrounded by the water or the oceans. Okay. Now this is about the river. The next landform is about the river. River landforms are caused by the process of erosion, transportation and deposition. Here in this picture we can see the life cycle of the river, where it starts from the rain, and so because of the rain and snow from if it is the glacier. then again it goes to the, it forms the waterfall, and again it is going to the, in three zones, that is source zone, where from where it started, that is its source zone, then its transition zone, it will goes to the it will have the tributaries and it goes to the floodplain. Okay, then again it will having the floodplain zone, which is having again, it shows the different types of its transitions. It shows a oxbow lake, it also shows the marshy areas, then again it shows the delta, as we have the famous that Gangetic delta, where we can see in the Bengal area. Okay, so these are the different transitions of the rivers life cycle. Okay, here in we have already seen some of the major landforms. In our second video we will show the remaining landforms. So if you like the video, subscribe and share my video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching.